What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and we're here today at Scarjo Central Mall kay mag raid ta sa what we call this SMR. So we'll see kung sa itong makita dito nga mga chocolates. It's a house of it's a place where we can buy chocolates at a very good price. So it's still 9:57, 3 more minutes before sila mag-open. So let's check it out. Alright, so we're just waiting for the store to open and na sila dito sa likod. Na. And there's already few people lining up para makauna sila sa store. And taod-taod na siya nga open. I think it's more than a year now, pero first time na ko sulod diri sa SMR and trying to find out kung sa atong mapalit if ever it's affordable as they've said. So yeah, that's all. And paabot na lang ta sa time nga mag-open sila. Yes, and so we just got in. It's really amazing here. This place is a house of chocolates. So Hershey's, common brands that we all know. Cadbury, M&M's, Kit Kat. There's tons of them in here. And on this side, you could also get some, retail, just few pieces of each variant. And on this side, there's still also a lot. Maglibog jud ka sa kadaghan, especially if you like chocolates. So this is the best place for you. And since hapit na ang Valentine's for lovers out there, this is the place where you should be and get good quality chocolates at a very affordable price compared to regular supermarkets. And I'll just continue to roam around and explore things here at SMR Cebu or SMR Chocolates, and I'll catch you back later. Alright, so yeah, if you're a sweet tooth, or if you have a sweet tooth, this is a heaven for you. It's really a lot of all this chocolates, and yeah, libo gani kasi ibang paliton sa kadaghan, and your eyes are just everywhere. Okay. Aside from, you'll find your favorites here. Na-amazed ka sa prices niya. And so, if you're interested, they're open from 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. And there is a Scarjo Central. And yeah. And so there are tons of chocolates in here. Oh, I thought it is a Ferrero, but it's kind of like the same packaging. It's different. It's cocoa. There's mailad lang. Right? It's like Ferrero. But like a Ferrero. M&M's. Only $2.49. And also Kit Kat. Matcha. Chocolate. This one, 1 kilogram chocolate. Very intense. Ooh. What about this one? It's only for $229. One block. Ooh. What do you think? Maganda siya. Valor, Tudor Gold. It's really a lot. Toblerone, Next Star. We'll see. Naglibog ako sa kapaliton, but there's a lot here to choose from. Meron na. Okay, so here's the second floor. Okay, there are, a lot of goodies that you could choose from. Additional chocolates, chips, and ice cream. And so, yeah, we'll check out some other items later. And let's stroll out. Alright, so we just finished buying our set of chocolates, and here I got around 8 of them for less than 400 pesos. So it's very, very affordable. And as I mentioned earlier, happy now Valentine's, and if you're into giving chocolates to to your loved ones, I guess it's best for you to head over Iscario Central and get your own bunch of chocolates. And I hope I've given you tips and ideas on where you could buy great and amazing things here in Cebu City. And if you like this video today, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.